Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to make the Start menu bigger in Windows 10. This can be helpful if you want to have more space for your tiles and customize your Start menu. Let's dive into the steps. First, press the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear and can be found in the left-hand side menu. Once you are in the Settings menu, click on the option called Personalization. This will open up the personalization settings for your Windows 10. Within the personalization settings, click on the Start tab located on the left-hand side. Now, look for the option that says Show More Tiles on Start. Toggle the switch to the On position. Congratulations! You have successfully made the Start menu bigger in Windows 10. With the extra column of space, you can now drag and rearrange your tiles to customize your Start menu according to your preferences. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.